I just felt like talking to intending pig farmers today. I just felt like I should be sharing this thing to you today. Like, if I was about to start up a pig farm business, what I will be doing differently. Like, if I'm about to start a pig farm business right now, what I'll be doing differently. So on this video today, I'm going to be talking about or telling you or sharing to you what I would do differently if I just started a pig farm business to be able to succeed in the business. Okay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyudo. If you're seeing my face for the first time, in here I talk about animal farming, pig and fish especially. I give helpful tips on how to succeed in the business. So if you find this channel helpful to you, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share, turn on post notification bell for new videos to come. Okay, so let's get right back into today's video. So the first thing I will do if I'm about to start a pig farm business is to learn more about pig farming. Now, this is the first thing I will do if I decide today that I want to start up a pig farm business. Okay, like I will have to learn about this business. I will have to learn about pig farming, learn about pigs, know the dynamics of this business, know the dynamics of pig farming as a whole, know if truly this is what I want to do while learning about this whole business. Okay, that is the first thing I will do if I want to be successful in pig farm business. First thing before I even think of starting up is to learn about the business. Okay, so the second thing I'll be doing differently is to make sure that I raise healthy pigs. Raising healthy pigs involves getting good breed, like the right breed for this business, making sure I feed them very well, having a good feeding plan, a good nutritional feed pattern that I always give to my pigs to ensure that they are healthy and they give me the right results at the end of the day. So that is just the second thing I'll be doing differently if I'm just about to start up a pig farm business. So the third thing I will be doing differently is I will not raise my pigs in such a way that when pig farmers or when anybody wants to come and buy pig for me, they will be buying pig based on bargaining. Do you understand me? I'll raise it in such a way that when people come to buy, I'll tell them, okay, this is how much I sell per kg. I will have to weigh my pigs before I will sell, because sometimes that bargaining will not even help you sell your pigs at the right price that you're supposed to sell it. You will not make gain from it. You will not make profits from it. All those bargaining that people will just come look at the pigs and be like, okay, I'll pay you 70,000, I'll pay you 80,000. Whereas if you weigh it, sometimes it's not even up to 70,000 naira. Sometimes it's more than 70,000 naira. So I will not be raising my pigs in a way that like when I want to sell it off, I'll be bargaining. No, I'll raise my pigs in a way that if I want to sell it off, I will sell it off with the life, like packaging, like their life weight. Okay, so the fourth thing I'll be doing is to invest my time in learning how to formulate pig feed. Not just my time, but my money. As I'm investing time, I'm investing money into learning how to formulate pig feed. Learning how to formulate your own pig feed, it will help you cut down on costs instead of always relying on buying pig feed that has already been formulated by people, or that is produced by people, or these ones that they sell in the market. You know, it's now expensive, so it will help you cut down costs. And also knowing how to formulate your own pigs, it will also help you more on your farm. And also you also need to always buy your materials. After you've learned how to formulate your own pig feed by yourself, you also make sure you buy your own raw materials, okay, in bulk. Make sure to buy your own raw materials in bulk, because it will help you to save costs. Like when you see that the raw materials have reduced in price, like the price have come down, try to get money and buy it in bulk before the price goes up. Because here, this part of the country where I am, the prices are always fluctuating. So if you know that the prices have come down, make sure you buy it in bulk. It will save you a whole lot of costs. So the fifth one I'll be doing differently is I would personally build a no small pig pen. Like, I am not going to be building a cemented pig pen. It's not like I'm condemning the cemented pig pen, no. But for me, I will just go for a no small pig pen, because going for a no small pig pen is less stressful in terms of cleaning. If you're going for the cemented pig pen, just know that you're going to be cleaning almost like not almost like, but you're going to be cleaning every day. But if it's the no smell pig pen, you'll be cleaning your pen twice a week. For the cemented pig pen, imagine cleaning your pen every day. You can imagine the stress times how many pens that you have in that farm. Imagine the stress of, like, cleaning the whole pen in the farm, the stress you'll be going through. But if it's with the no smell pig pen, twice, depending on how many pigs are in that pen. Sometimes sef you can even clean it like once a week, depending on how many pig is in that pen. If it's just one pig in that pen, when you just come and spray your IMO, you can clean it once a week, depending. It just all depends. Okay, so for me, I'll be going for the no smell pig pen. Another thing about the no smell pig pen, another advantage about the no smell pig pen is another way of keeping the pigs healthy and keeping the environment odorless and odor free. It helps do away with all this house fly that transmit this pathogen to the farm. Okay, so that is just another reason why I'm going to be building a no smell pig pen. I won't even think of building a cemented pig pen. Okay, by the way, it's choice. I'm just telling you what I think. So the last one is, I will not skip vaccination. Vaccination is good for the farm. It should be a necessary routine in your farm if you want to grow healthy pigs. Some might say that they don't vaccinate their pigs and their pigs are healthy. That is a lie. Even if it's true you are not there, make sure to vaccinate your pigs for a healthy pigs and to run a successful pig farm, so that you don't end up regretting later when your pigs start developing complications that you don't even know where it's coming from, all because you don't even think of vaccination. You don't vaccinate your pigs. You now later regret because you started seeing that all your pigs are still dying one by one. Okay, so please make sure that you vaccinate your pigs. Make sure to put all these things into consideration, everything I've said in this video. Okay, if I were to be starting a pig farm now, these are all the things I'm going to put in place. I'm going to do first before I think of starting up a pig farm. Okay, so I hope you got value from this video. I hope you've learned one or two things. If you have, please like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell for new videos to come. Please don't forget to send me a DM on my Facebook page at Onidoye, my Instagram at Onidoye, if you have any business deal for me. Okay, and I would reply you. Drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any comments or anything to add or any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.